أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين للتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد الفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, hope everyone is well.
Alaikum assalam.
We are on going to start now today, lesson number 6. We completed lesson number 5 last week, and today we are going to do lesson number 6. So those who have not revised or have seen lesson number 6, I will quickly give a brief introduction of what we are going to cover in lesson number 6. Just give me 1 second. Right, okay. Now, lesson number 6, it's all about mudaf. Lesson number 6 is about hadihi, about this. So hadihi is the feminine demonstrative noun, which means this for when you're referring to something which is feminine. So it could be a feminine person or a feminine object. And the opposite for hadihi is this, hada. And also in this lesson, we will revise mudaf and mudaf ilayh, possessed and the possessor as well. So this is the main theme of this lesson. So what will start, I'm going to ask someone to read the points to remember. So for whom today's class is the first class in this week? So those who are just attend Wednesday's class is the only class you attend. Can you put your hands up or can you come on the mic? Those who just attend the Wednesday's class. Okay. Right. So, Samira, can you come on the mic, please?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So Samira, can you start from the points to remember in this lesson?
Okay. Points to remember. In this lesson, we learn hadihi, which is a feminine of hada. It is pronounced hadihi, but the alif is omitted in writing. This is a boy and this is a girl. Hada waladun wa hadihi bintun. Nouns and adjectives are made feminine by adding a ta at the end. The last letter before the ta takes a fatha. Mudarrisatun, lady teacher. Mudarrisun, a teacher. Some nouns have a separate form for feminine. Example, bintun, ukhtun, ibnun, bin son, and akhun is brother.
Excellent. All nouns
in Arabic are either masculine or feminine. Feminine nouns and adjectives usually have the ta ending, but there are some words which do not have this ending. Students, when learning a new noun, must learn its gender also. Double members of the body are usually feminine, while single members are masculine. Example, the head, ra'sun, is masculine, anfun, nose, famun, mouth, wajhun, face. Feminine are two, so hand, yadun, leg, rejlun, ainun, eye, and udhrun, ear is feminine.
Excellent. And point number 3. So in point number 3, we're going to learn about li, which is a preposition which means belong, or either it means for. So it's just going to explain what happens when it comes with a noun.
هذه لب
Sorry, go ahead.
هذه
هذا لبلال.
وذلك لحامد. So dalika is the same as that then, right?
So dalika is the masculine and tilka is for the female. We will do this in the next lesson. Tilka,
Oh,
yeah. So
right.
dalika is for masculine and tilka is lesson number 7, which talks about females. When someone is, if you want to say that, that is, for example, that is a female, or that
Mhm.
is that is, for example, a school. School is madrasatun, has a time marbuta, so we use that for that, which is something further away. Anything which is close, we will say either hada or hadihi, depending upon the gender.
Alhamdulillah, its praise belongs to Allah. So the li is belongs to or for. Note
Yep.
that the word Allah becomes lillahi, belonging to Allah, by just dropping the alif. No lam need to be added to the word. Liman means whose or belonging to whom.
Mhm. Is that understandable? So
I'm sorry.
do you understand? You understand that? So when liman comes, it means for whom, and when it's liman hada, it's for whom. Who for whom is this? And if there's alif lam after liman, we put also a kasra on it, on the noon, from a fatha sukun to a kasra, liman el kitabu.
Okay, because you need to join to the al. That's
Yes,
why.
that's right.
Okay. So man, the way I remember is man kuntu maulahu, like, man is whoever.
Yes, whoever. It comes in meaning of whoever or who, depending upon the
Right.
context itself.
Okay. And then al, note that the man becomes money when followed by the al. Yeah, you just explained
Yep.
that with the al. Okay. Hadihi jamilun. Um, this is beautiful.
هذا جملة هذه
I'm sorry. Hada jamilun. This is beautiful. وذلك أيضا أيضا جميل.
that is also beautiful.
Also, أيضا means also.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. هذا كبير
جدا.
جدا جدا.
Yep.
Okay.
This
So
is
this
very
is very big.
excellent.
So جدا means very.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, أيضا. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Right. Thank you ever so much. Now I'm going to start the lesson. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to read the lesson first page, and then I'll bring someone else on the mic. Now this lesson is going to go through mudaf, mudaf ilay, and hadhihi. So some points to remember. Now, as we did in lesson 1 as well, we learned about hadha being the subject. Now, in these sentences here, we learn hadha ibnu Hamidin. Ibn is son, Hamid. So ibnu Hamid, son of Hamid. So son of Hamid is mudaf and mudaf ilay. And for this reason, the tanween on ibnun means a son is removed and is replaced with a dhamma. Hamidin is getting a kasra tanween, not because of a preposition, but because of mudaf. So that's the reason why it's ibnu Hamidin. The better translation would be Hamid's son. Rather than saying son of Hamid, you can say Hamid's son. And then the other point you need to remember, this mudaf and mudaf ilay is coming as the predicate. So hada is the subject, ibn Hamid is mudaf and mudaf ilayh, and it's coming as the khabar. So the translation will be this is, this is. Remember, is, what comes before is the subject, what comes after it is the predicate. So ibn Hamidin is the khabar. Then we have and hadhi, and this is. Now also remember, we are using hada and here hadhi. Why? Because the thing or towards whom we are pointing is a masculine. So Hamid is possessing his son. Son is masculine. For this reason, we are using hada to point towards ibn. And then over here now, in this next sentence, we are using hadihi. Why? Because the individual to whom we are pointing is a feminine, who is Yasir's son. Yasir's son is Yasir's daughter is possessed, is the owner of Yasir's daughter is Yasir, the father. So that's the reason why we're using hadi. So hadihi bintu Yasirin. This and this is Yasir's daughter or daughter of Yasir. Mudaf and mudaf ilay. Point number one. Sorry, point number two. Over here now, in the next sentence, you will see Ibn Hamidin. Over here was Ibn Hamidin coming as the khabar. Now over here, Ibn Hamidin, Hamid's son, is coming in the beginning of the sentence. Now, when mudaf, so mudaf ilayh can take two positions. It can either come as a khabar, or also it can come as a mubtada, as a subject for a nominal sentence. A nominal sentence is that sentence which a noun starts. As Ibn Hamid, both are nouns. So it's a nominal sentence and it's a subject. And then over here now, Ibn Hamidin, mudaf ilayh, mubtada or subject, jalisun. Now, because we're talking about the son of Hamid, he's male, so the khabar, the predicate, also follows the mudaf. So remember this, whenever mudaf ilayh comes as a subject, always the mudaf will be observed or reviewed whether the khabar should be masculine or feminine. As Ibn is masculine, so the khabar comes masculine as well. So here, the khabar is coming single word. So a single word can, so remember these points. A single word like jalisun can come as a khabar, or also mudaf ilayh can also come as a khabar. So these are two types of khabar, and inshallah gradually I'll give you the other types as well. And then we have over here bintu Yasirin, and Yasir's daughter. So because we are talking now about Yasir's daughter, she's a female. Now the khabar has to come masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine, exactly. So we have to use not waqifun, but waqifatun. Yes. So waqifatun. So Sister can you come on the mic and read this paragraph over here now, please?
Okay. The points to remember or okay, yes.
No.
Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man hazihi. Who is this?
Correct.
Isn't it? Okay.
Correct.
Hazihi ukhtul muhandisin. Hazihi. This is. Ukhtul means the sister.
Yes.
Sister of muhandisi. Muhandis means the engineer.
Correct.
This is the sister of engineer. Ahiya Aizan. Ahiya Aizan means
is a question mark. Is she?
Is she? Yes.
Yeah.
Is she Aizan?
Also.
Is she? Okay, also. Okay. Is she also Mohandesa? Is she also an engineer?
Excellent.
Okay. La, hiya tabibatun. No, she is tabib. She is a doctor.
Excellent. Jazakallah, sister. Is that clear for you so far?
Yes, it's clear.
Right. Next person, Sister Musarrat Irfan. Sister Musarrat, iPhone. Okay, if Sister Musarrat iPhone is not able to come,
Hello. Assalamu
Assalamu
alaikum.
alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Bismillah.
Yeah,
Liman
this
hadhi siyara.
but this I don't know. Lemon has, I'll try. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lemon, I don't know what is.
Liman
Lemon,
means for whom?
lemon
Liman
means,
means for whom? For whom?
hold on. Has his al-siyara. This is a car.
Yeah, for whom is this car? For whom is
Or
this
is
car?
car. هذه سيارة المدير. This
This
this car,
is
this car is al-mudir. Mudir.
Al-Mudir, the manager car. This is the manager's car.
This is the manager's car.
Correct.
Ma hazihi. What is this?
Excellent.
Right?
Yes.
Hazihi mikwat.
Mikwatun.
Mikwatun. This is, what is mikwatun?
Can you see this? That's what it is. What is that?
Oh, the boat.
No, iron.
Oh, iron, sorry.
Yeah, this is an iron.
This is an iron.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Thank you. Next person I want to ask on to come on the mic is Sister Narjis Darsi. Sister Narjis
السلام
Darsi.
عليكم.
Alaikum
السلام
assalam,
عليكم.
bismillah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Liman hadhihi.
لمن هذه خالدين.
Translation.
Okay. Who is okay, for whom this is? This is for Khalid.
Correct.
الدراجة إنسي هذه.
Anasi.
And okay. The bicycle.
Is
The
this
bicycle.
is this Anas's bicycle?
Is this Ines' bicycle? لا. هذه درجات أمار. No, this is Amar's bicycle. هذه جديد. This is new.
Excellent.
درجات آنسي قديمة.
قديمة.
The bike, yeah. قديمة. The bicycle, Anis bicycle is old, right?
Excellent.
هذه ساعة علي. This
Aliyin.
is
Aliyin.
علي. Okay. You said they put the fataten, up there, right?
No,
Instead of
kasratan mean
that.
underneath the word. Underneath the shadda. Yep.
هذه ساعة علي. This is Ali's watch.
Yep.
هي جميلة جدا.
Jamilatun jiddan.
جدا. جميلة جدا. Yeah. It is very beautiful.
Correct.
Okay. هذه ملكة
Mil'akatun.
ملكة وهذه كدر.
Kidrun. Kidrun.
كدر. Oh, there is a fata. Sorry. كدر. Okay. This is a pot and this is a spoon, or
No,
which way it
mil'akatun.
is?
This is a spoon and this is
This
a
is a
pot.
spoon and this is a pot.
Correct.
المل أكتو في الكدري. I know that the spoon is in the pot.
Jazakallah. Thank you ever so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Next person, Sister Sukaina. Sister Sukaina, can you come on the mic?
Yes, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Bismillah.
From
هذا بقرة
هذه بقرة. 1 second. Sorry, so I have to read from.
هذه بقرة الفلاح.
Okay. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This is what does fallahi mean? Cow. I know this.
Farmer. Bakara means cow. Fallah means a farmer.
Yeah, this is farmers. This is the farmer's cow.
Correct.
هذا أنف وهذا فم.
Mhm.
This is nose and this is a mouth.
Correct.
هذه أذن وهذه عين. So it's feminine because it's
Yep.
double.
Correct.
These are ears and these are eyes.
So udhunun is a single is ear. So this is a ear and this is an eye.
Okay.
So if it's
Okay,
two
this
eyes,
is-
you add alif and a noon at the end. Aynani, udhunani, yadani, rajani. So add alif and a noon with the
Okay.
kasra is for jewel.
Okay. Okay. So okay, so this is an ear and this is an eye.
Correct.
وهذه يد وهذه رجل. So
Excellent.
it's again feminine because it's a leg that we have two legs. So
Yep.
and this is a leg and this is رجل is a student.
No, rijlun is a leg. Yadun is a hand. Rijlun is a leg.
Okay, yeah. So this is a hand and this is a leg.
Correct.
They're both
Where are you
feminine
from?
because we have double.
Yeah. Where are you from, sister? You're from America?
I'm from Toronto.
You're
Yeah,
from Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah. Okay, bismillah. Okay, continue 1 to 4 on the next page. Read and write.
Okay. Okay. هذا مسجدي وهذا مدرسة.
وهذه.
This وهذه مدرسة. This is a mosque and that is a school.
No, this is a mosque and this.
This is a mosque and this is a school.
What's the
Yeah.
difference between hadha and hadihi?
So because it's tema butta at the end for the school, that's why it's hazihi, it's feminine.
Correct. Correct.
Man hazihi. Hazihi uqtu abasin.
Correct.
Man hazihi. From where is he?
No, who is
Where
this?
is who
Man
is
hadi.
he?
Who is this?
Who is it? Who is this? Okay. This is Abbas's sister.
Mhm.
Who is this? This is Abbas's sister. So that's why it's hazihi because uqtun is a feminine.
Correct.
She's a girl. Haza dikkum wa hazihi dajajatun. Haza dikkum means this is a
This is a
rooster
rooster.
and this is hen
A
or
hen.
chicken. And
Correct.
it's hazihi because it's a tema bukka and it's female.
Correct.
هذا ابن مديري وهذه بنت المدرس. Who is the whose son? Mudiri means engineer or
Mudir means manager or principal.
okay. Is this the principal's son or is this the mudarrisu? Is this the doctor's daughter? Yeah,
The
doctor's
teacher's
daughter.
the teacher's daughter.
Teacher's daughter. Yeah. Is this
Excellent.
yeah? So mudiri means engineer. You said, right?
No, mudiri means either principal. It means a principal. Or
Principal.
either means a manager.
Okay, principal or
Excellent.
manager. So is
Any
this-
other questions,
yeah.
sister?
No, it's good, understandable. Only that I don't know some of the meanings.
Yeah,
yet.
that's fine. Jazakallah, sister. Thank you.
Okay.
Sister
Thank you.
Zainab. Is it this Zainab from Karachi or is it Zainab from Toronto? I'm not too sure. I think it's Zainab. Is it Zainab from Karachi? I'm not too, can't remember.
Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam. Okay, Zainab. From, yes, Zainab from America,
US.
Toronto. Yes, come
No,
Bismillah.
for USA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 5.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hazihi hummu Yasirin. This is Yasir mother.
Mhm.
Aina qadrul lahmi. Where is
The meat pot.
the meat pot? Here
Mhm.
here fis lajati. It is in the fridge.
Yep.
Haza babun wa hazihi nafizatun. This is a door and this is a window.
Correct. And I want you to do this exercise, Sister Zainab Nadri. Over here, I want you to do 1, 2, 3. Now, talibun is masculine, tabibun is masculine, muslimun is masculine. So to change it to female, what you need to do is add a ta marbuta at the end. So like Aminat Muhammadun talibun, Aminatu talibatun.
حامد طبيب فاطمة طبيبة هو مسلم هي مسلمة
Correct.
الباب الباب مغلق النافذة مغلقة
Correct.
المنديل وسخ
وسخ.
وسخ اليد واسخة.
Excellent. Excellent. That's brilliant. Thank you ever so much for that.
Thank
Right.
you.
Next person I'm going to ask is going to be Sister Saida.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Sister Saida, can you start from 6 to 11?
Yes, inshallah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Just a second. I think it's I can't see the page. It's not there anymore.
You can't see it? Okay, give me 1 second. Let me just reshare the page again.
Okay.
Can you see it now?
Yes, now I can see. Just a
Okay.
minute. I just need to make it a little bit bigger.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. It's just a little bit very small. I can't see. I'm so sorry.
This is the biggest, the
Okay.
largest I can do.
Okay, no, it's fine. Just a second. Okay, just give me a second. Let me see.
You could pinch on your phone as well. So if you pinch on your phone, you can make it larger as well.
Yes, I think it's just a second. Okay, I got it. Oh, okay.
Ashayo Harun. The tea is hot. And
Yes, it's just I can't see. I don't know. Let me just try one more. Just a moment. Okay, now I can see it. So, Al Shayun Harun. The tea is hot. Al Kahwatun.
Al Kahwato. When there's alif lam, it's Al Kahwato.
Al Kahwatu Jaratun.
Haratun.
Oh, Al Kahwatun Haratun. And Al Masjidi Ba'idun. The mosque is far away. Al Mudarisatun.
Al Madrasato. There's alif
Al-
lam. And when there's alif lam, there's no tanween. It's one pesh, one dham. Al Madrasato.
Al Madrasatu Karibun.
No. Same word, ba'idun, but add a timer put at the end.
Oh, okay. Al Mudarisatun
Al
Ba'idat.
Madrasato.
Al Madrasatu Ba'idatun.
Correct. Number 8.
Al Talibu Marizun. The student is sick. Al Talibatun Marizatun.
At-talibatu maridatun.
Yes. Al Himanun Sariun.
Al-hisanu.
Oh,
Al-hisanu.
Al
Which is
Hisanun.
the horse.
Sorry. Is that Hisanun is a horse?
Yeah, well, the horse is quick. It's swift or quick.
Yes. Al Siaratu Sari Atun.
Correct.
Al Kamaru Jamilun. Al Shamsu Jamilatun.
Correct.
Al Abu Jalisun. Al Amun Jalisatun.
Al-ummu. Al-ummu.
Al Ummu Jalisatun.
Thank you ever so much. Thank you. Right, kind of the next person is Shala Anjum on the mic.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Can you do the next exercise? Correct the following mistakes. So what's happening here? These sentences are they should remain as they are, but the only thing you need to change is whether there should be a time marbuta or whether there should be a feminine hada or hadihi itself, depending upon the noun which is being spoken about. So hakibatu man hada.
Hakibatu
So-
man hazihi.
Correct.
Al ghurfatu maftuhatun.
Correct. Translation as
Um,
well, please.
Al ghurfatu maftuhatun. Is
What
it
is the
correct?
translation? Yep.
Oh,
What
yes.
is the translation?
Okay. The door is open.
Correct.
The room is open. Haza sayyaratu tabibi. Hazihi sayyaratu tabibi. This
Correct.
is doctor's car.
Correct.
Hazihi miftahu sayyarati.
Miftah is masculine, so that's the reason why it should be
Haza. Yes. Haza miftahu sayyarati. This is car's key.
This is the car's key.
This is the
Number
car's
5.
key. Ainal bakaratu. Where is the cow?
Where is the cow?
Where
Yep.
is the cow? Here instead of Hova.
Correct.
Here fishari. It is on the road.
It is in the street, in the road. Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah, it is on the road.
Sheikh, can I get a clarification on number 4, please?
Yep.
So hadihi miftahu sayyarati. So sayyara is a female, right? Like, because it has a ta marbuta at the end.
Yeah, but we're talking about the key. We're not talking about the car. So whenever the
so mudaf ilayh.
Yeah, exactly. So the mudaf is the thing which we're pointing towards, not the car. No, the thing which is miftah is the key which we're talking about. This.
So the mudaf is miftah.
Correct.
Miftah is mudaf. So he's the possessor.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if the car is female, but the key is masculine.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next person I was going to ask was going to be Kauthar Naqvi. Sister Kauthar, assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Yes, sir.
Can you do this exercise, please? Exercise 4.
Sure. Ikra wa aktubu ma zabte or akhir al kalimat. Read and write the following sentences, vocalizing the last letter of all nouns.
Correct.
Hadha li Muhammad wa zalika li Hamid.
It should be Muhammadun, should be Muhammadin, Muhammadan. What should it be?
Hadha li Muhammadun.
Nope. Lam is there. Lam is a preposition. Whenever lam comes, the noun gets a kasra tanween. Hadha li Muhammadin wa dhalika li Hamidin.
Sure. Hadha li Muhammadin wa dhalika li Hamid.
So this is for Muhammad, and yeah, this is for Muhammad, and that is for Hamid.
This is for Muhammad, that for Hamid, and that for Hamid. Right?
Yep,
or
correct.
No?
Next one.
Leman hazihi la yasir.
Li Yasirin.
Li yasirin.
For whom is this? This is for Yasir.
For who is this? This is for Yasir.
Correct.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahi.
Correct.
Alhamdulillah.
Next one.
And English too.
All praise
Allah.
be to Allah. All praise be to Allah.
Lillahi al-mashriqi wal-maghribi.
No, lillahi al-mashriqu wal-maghribu.
Al-mashriqu wal-maghrib.
Yeah, lam is coming with Allah. So that gets a kasra, lillahi, and al-mashriqu wal-maghribu will come with a dhamma.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Lillahi al-mashriqu wal-maghribu. Wal-maghribu?
Yep. Correct. Translation of the new words. Al-mikwatu is iron. Continue, please.
Al-mikwatu, the iron. Al-darajatu, the bicycle. Al-mil'akatu, the spoon. Al-kidru, the pot. Al-bakaratu, the cow, al-falahu, the farmer, al-anfu, the nose, al-famu, the mouth, al-uznu, the ear, al-jaddu, the hand, al-rajlu, the man, al-shayu, the tea, al-rajlu, al-rijlu, al-rijlu, the leg, al-shayu, the tea, al-ummu, the mother, as-salajatu, the fridge, al-kahwatu, the tea,
Coffee.
as-sariyu, al-coffee,
Coffee. Sari'un is fast.
sariyun, the sariyun, fast,
Al-nafidatu
al-nafizatu,
is window. And
al-nafizatu, the window, jiddan,
is very.
Very good, very.
Okay, excellent. Now I'm going to start lesson number 7 because we are in track, and alhamdulillah, we was able to finish this lesson quicker than the other class. Right. Now lesson number 7, which I'm going to do now, it's, as I said to yourself, we're going to learn about tilka. So here is tilka coming. So that is the whole theme in this lesson itself. So hada Muhammad. So look over here. Hada Muhammadun, this is Muhammad. Hadi Amina, this is Amina. Dhalika Hamidun, that is Hamid. And tilka Zainabu, that is Zainab. That is the only thing we're learning in this. Al-naqatu is shikamu, al-battatu is duck, al-mumarridatu is nurse, al-dajajatu is hen, al-mu'adhdhinu is mu'adhdhin, al-baydatu is the egg. Okay? Right, let's start. I'm going to read with, who am I going to read with? Right.
Sister Parveen, Naqvi.
Yes, Parveen Naqvi, would you be able to come?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So I'm going to read, and then you respond to me. Man hadihi, who is this?
Hazihi Aminatu.
Translation?
This is Amina. Who is she? This is Amina.
Correct. Waman tilka, and who is that? Tilka is referring to a female.
Female.
Tilka is for masculine, and tilka is for a female.
Right.
Answer?
Tilka Fatimatu, that is Fatima.
Correct. Hadihi tabibatun. So tabibatun is a female doctor.
Right.
So we use hadihi.
Hazihi tabibatun.
Wa tilka mumarridatun, and that is a female nurse.
Wa tilka mumarradatu. Mumarridatu.
Correct.
A nurse.
Correct.
Hazihi minal Hindi wa tilka minal Yabani. This is from India and that is from Japan. Hazihi tawilatun, sorry. Hazihi tawilatun, this is tall. Wa tilka kasiratu, and that is short.
Tawilatu means long.
Okay, long. Thank you.
Jazakallah. Let me bring someone else on the mic now. Thank you. Let's bring, who's going to next? I'm going to bring. Let me bring Sister Afridi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Can you start from manha? I'm going to read manhada and you respond. Manhada. So we're talking about masculine now. Manhada. Who is this? Answer is?
Haza Hamidun. This is Hamid.
Woman dhalika. And who is that?
Zalika Aliyun. That is Ali.
So we're talking about a male. So we use the word dhalika there. And above we use tilka for a female. Correct?
Right. Right.
A tilka dajajatun. Is that a hen?
La tilka battatun. No, that is a duck.
Excellent. Right. Next person on the mic who wants to come next on the mic? Who wants to come next on the mic? Oh, I'm opening to everyone. Anyone? Who's coming next on the mic, please?
Tilka. I'm already.
Sister Shala, go ahead.
Okay.
Ma tilka. Sister Shala, ma tilka. What is that? Answer?
Yes, I cannot see Mad. Yeah, okay. What is that? Tilka bazatun. That is an egg.
Correct. Continue.
Hazihi sayyaratul mudarrisi. This is mudarris, teacher's car.
Mhm.
The teacher's car. Watilka sayyaratul mudiri. And that is the manager's car.
Correct.
Asa'atu Abbasin hazihi. Is Abbas. Is this Abbas watch?
Mhm.
La hazihi Sa'atu Hamidin. No, this is Hamid's watch. Tilka Sa'atu Abbasin. That is Abbas' watch. Zalika Dikun. That is
A rooster.
a rooster. Watilka the jajatun, and that is a chicken or hen.
Correct. Excellent. Right. Now I'm going to choose students. Can I ask? Can I request Khatija? Khatija, I know you just joined about 10 minutes ago, but are you able to come on the mic?
Assalamu alaikum, brother. I just joined it and I don't know.
No, that's fine. No problem at all. So I'm going to ask next on the mic. Who am I going to ask? I'm going to ask Narjis Darsi. Sister Narjis Darsi.
Yes.
Can you do 1 and 2?
هذه مدرسة وتلك جامعة. This is madrasa. This is madrasa, and that is university.
Correct.
Okay. ذلك حمار وتلك بقرة. This is a horse. I mean donkey.
Donkey.
This is a donkey, and that is a cow.
Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic, sister? Makes my life easier if you choose. Who do you want to choose?
Parveen. She's my
She's
friend.
had a chance already. She's had a chance already. We need to choose someone else. Let's choose Sukaina then. Sister Sukaina. Sukaina, are you there?
Yes.
Bismillah. 3, 4.
الذلك مسجد لا تلك مدرسة. Is that a mosque? Yeah, is that a mosque? No, that is a school.
Correct.
Tilka is feminine because there's tema bukta. هذا جمل وتلك ناقة. هذا, this is a camel. And that is ناقة. And that camel. Is a female camel. Okay, female camel. هذه مدرسة وتلك طالبة. This is a school and that is a student.
Correct.
Both are feminine.
Correct. Jazakallah, sister. Let me get someone else on the last one. I'm going to ask the next one.
Jazakallah, I have to leave. I have Maghrib prayer. Thank you.
Can I have next person on the mic? Sister Saida Mukhi. Sister Saida Mukhi.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. I was just going to get my glasses. I couldn't see.
Okay, go ahead.
I got it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, I got
6 and 7.
Okay, inshallah. I started working, so I'm getting very, very tired these days.
Right. Bismillah. Number 6. Hadha.
Okay, Bismillah. Just only 1 second. Okay, now I can see. Okay. It's Zalika Hamidun.
No.
Was
this one here. From number 6. Hadha kalbun wa dhalika kittun. This one here.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm having problems today with my glasses and eyes. Haza kalbun wa zalika kittun. This is a dog, and then this is Uh,
That.
that
That is
is
a cat.
that is a cat.
Correct. Number 7.
Haza baytun al mudarri
Al-mu'adhdhin.
muwazzini wa tilka jamiatu al okay.
هذا بيت المؤذن وتلك حديقة التاجر.
Oh, this book, it looks like different than the first book. It's really very different than the one which we did very, very long ago.
Yeah, it's changed. This is a new edition, that's why.
Okay. So, do you think I should buy this book, or the one I have, that will be okay?
I don't know, because I don't know how old your book, so you need to check whether it's the same version, does it have the same text or not. So if you can kindly read number 7. هذا بيت المؤذن.
Haza, now I can see now. Sorry, I was having problem reading. Haza baytun muzanin wa tilka muazzini wa tilka hadikatun tajirin. This one I don't understand the meaning.
Correct. This is Bayt al-Mu'adhin means this is the Mu'adhin's house, and that is the merchant's garden. Hadikatun is garden, the merchant's garden.
Thank you.
This is the Mu'adhin's house, and that is the merchant's garden.
Yes.
Thank you ever so much. Right.
Thank you for being a best teacher. Yes.
Now, I want everyone to do this exercise as homework. So over here, you need to look at the word, whether the word is masculine or feminine, and you have to use either hada or hadhi. And then the other thing you need to do over here is to use dhalika and tilka over here, depending upon whether the noun is masculine or feminine. That's the exercise, and that's all. And then inshallah, lesson number 8 and 9 I'll do together next week, and then the following week will be lesson number 10, and then inshallah I'll do one lesson of revision, and then because I've taught this book in quite detail, so I don't need to spend too long in revision. I'll do one lesson of revision, and then we'll move on to book 2, inshallah. Book 2, it will take longer than this. It will take me about, this book is probably I'm taking about 12 sessions, because I've done longer sessions. Normally I take 15 sessions, but I've taught it in longer sessions, so that's the reason why I've taken less time. But book 2 is going to take me about 20 sessions to teach 13 lessons. So there are 13 lessons, and it's going to take me about 20 sessions to teach book 2. Right. Any questions from anyone?
Sheikh, I wanted to ask you, the book 2 readers, it says book 3 on it, but it is not book 3, it's book 2. And I don't know if the way I bought it, it is confusing, because...
No, you're right. No, what's happened is that some of the versions, what's happened is that in book 1, the older version, in book 1, they have book 1 and 2 together. And then they have, in the second book, they have book 3 and 4 together. So it's slightly different.
Okay, because what I did book 3 already, but I skipped book 2 because I got confused, and I was doing on my own. So I was able to do book 3 is really very, very easy. But book 2, when I was looking for it, I couldn't find it, and I was getting nervous.
Book 2 is the most difficult book. Book 2 is, book 1 is easy. Book 2 is difficult.
Book 3 is very easy.
Yeah,
very
easy. No. Book 3 is not easy. Book 3 is a bit more comprehensive. You need to think and contemplate. Book 3 and 4 is grammar. So once you've done book 1 and 2, then inshallah, like the Sunday class, which will do the Quran through the Arabic through the Quran, that is what is going to be taught in book 3. But of course, I'm going to try to make it much more advanced than the expected achievement level of book 3, so that you can achieve your goal of understanding the Quran quicker than the book is expecting you to do. So inshallah, I'm going to add my own.
So I wake up early every day. Every day I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, and before going to work, I do 1 hour of doing all the revision and everything, and go over. Finally, after so long. Finally, I'm getting everything. So
No,
yeah, I was thinking
alhamdulillah.
about that. I was thinking about writing short stories or something like this. So this way, all the words we can memorize all the words. Do you think that's a good idea?
Not yet. It's a bit early yet. Once we do
Oh,
book
okay.
2, because I need to teach you once I've done finished book up to lesson number 10, then I'll be starting
Inshallah.
4 sessions. It will take me 4 sessions before you'll be ready for book 2, because I need to teach you present tense verbs.
Yes, that is really difficult. Yeah, you're right. That is the difficult.
It's not difficult. The most difficult thing was the past tense. Present tense is not that difficult. Because once you once you master the past tense becomes much more easier because you understand the concepts itself. So inshallah, once we start book 2, you will see the difference how book 1's understanding is going to apply on book 2, inshallah. Right, any other questions from anyone? No? Okay, then Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. اللهم كن لوليك الحجة من الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه أرضك وتمتع فيها طويلة واجعلنا من أنصاره وشيعتك وجندك برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم صل على محمد